Hey, have you ever noticed when you search for something online that most of the adverts that you see in the search results look similar? In this video, we'll help your business stand out by showing you how to write eye-catching ads, compelling headlines, and clear calls to action. Let's start by doing a search for hire wedding photographer and having a look through the ads that appear. The first thing you might notice is that there are lots of wedding photographers online, and the ads all seem to get a little bit lost in the fray. That's because they aren't particularly relevant to our search and don't seem to be offering anything unique. There are also lots of organic search results, the results in the centre of the page competing for your attention. You can imagine how easy it is for your ad to get lost here, which is why it's really important to create something unique that stands out from the competition. So, how can you take your ad to the next level and make it jump off the page? There are a few simple guidelines you can follow to turn a plain advert into something attention-grabbing. Let's start with relevance. Relevance is the name of the game in search engine marketing. Try and write your advert's headline to match the searcher's words as closely as possible. Remember our example search for hire wedding photographer. If you want to be sure to show up in search results for that search, just use the ad's headline. Hire wedding photographer. Now, when someone searches for this keyword, your advert will perfectly match what they're searching for. So what other ways can you make your advert stand out from the crowd? How about some kind of unique timely offer or promotion? If you're running a sale or have a special benefit the customers can take advantage of, well, that's a really easy way to attract attention. Let's take your first description line, which said, photos for all weddings, and update it with a special offer. How about this? Get 25% off your photo collage. This already looks a lot more exciting and gives the customer a clear reason to visit your website. Similarly, you could try something like free shipping on purchases over £25. Finally, you'll want a strong, clear call to action in your advert. In other words, tell visitors what you want them to do when they get to your site. You could say, browse our portfolio, or buy, or make a reservation. Research shows that people respond when you direct them to do something specific. It's a good idea to include this as the second line of your advert, so the searcher knows exactly what to do after they click on your ad. Let's say your advert's call to action is book online today. That's all right, but it's not very exciting. Let's try something a little bit more compelling. How about view our wedding photo gallery? This is much better. It tells the customer what they should do when they visit your website. And it also reinforces the fact that your business is highly relevant to the customer's need because you've got a wide selection of wedding photography. Right, now let's go back to our original advert to compare the before and after. It looks better, doesn't it? The advert's new headline is far more relevant to the search. We have an exciting special offer and a clear call to action. This new advert is much more likely to attract customers to your website. So, what have we learned? Using a few simple guidelines can help your advert stand out from the competition. First, you want to customize your advert headline to the search. Then include a special or timely offer. And finally, give a compelling call to action. These techniques can help improve your ads across the board. Just remember that writing great adverts is an ongoing process, just like researching keywords or monitoring your bid prices. Focus on these tips over the long run and you're likely to see success.